Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install AMD graphic card driver on your system. So here if you use AMD VGA or graphic card units, of course you need a driver and support for your GPU in order to running normally or running well. So here you need the driver by click on or search for AMD driver on your website and click on driver and support for processor and graphics. Here there are two options. If this is your first time, you can use the auto detect and install driver updates for AMD series graphic and Ryzen chipsets. So here there is a driver for your graphics and also chipsets driver. So you can download Windows drivers, but if you are an advanced, so if you want to download manually because of the latest version and you don't need download the chipsets, so you can click on this option, search and browse driver and support by product. For example, you can select your graphic card, select your product family, for example the Radeon RX, and choose your product line, for example RX 5000 XT, submit, and choose your operating system. In this case is Windows 11 60-bit edition, and here you can download all of this driver. If you choose but please choose one of the driver, the Adrenaline one or the Pro edition, and I recommend you just use the Adrenaline edition instead of the Pro one. This is like a general software. If there is a revision, please download it, but this is the main driver that you can download and install for free, and follow the easy instruction there. But if this is your first time, please download this instead of the manual one. So you can use auto detect and install driver updates for AMD Radeon series. Download and install. It will be like this. So let the auto detect scan your system and check your PC hardware for driver and software compatibility. And it is recommended to save your work and close other application before proceeding to install, because there is instruction like you have to restart your PC in order to finish the driver installation. So it's after the software detected what the best driver for you, usually the latest one, you can follow the instruction. Just click next, finish, restart your PC, and done. Your driver is ready to use, your GPU is ready to use on your favorite gaming, to run your favorite gaming. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so on the button below. See you in the next video.